2 is your magic number. Remember when you're doing a 4 count, no weird 8 count thing.
We show that one time. So when you hear, if you go 1, 2, I hope you go fast. Now it's too late. They done triple step. So 1, 2, woo! Have to be quick.
And slow on the way out. The new thing we did this week is we did a little rollout from that. 1, 2, and step, step, rock, step.
My footwork's not fancy, but I keep the time. Can you handle that? I hope so.
Remember, we're both trying to step on that beat. We talked a little bit about Norman Miller with that. And leaders, you're really thinking of this as round. We brought somebody in the middle and we talked about not going straight. We really wanted to be round.
Daniel, it was so much better.
Daniel did.
Daniel, thank you.
All right, and followers, even though the leaders are thinking a lot about this turn, you're thinking about going down the line. You really got to get to that left side in either cuddle, whether we're going fast or slow. Then,
someone think about that connection point. Important connection point when we're talking connection month. It's the timing that makes the feeling. It's not only just the shape. So when we're here, when she steps at random times, it feels different. So when Norma says, feel the beat, or she's like, gets on you about having no rhythm, she's not wrong. It's part of the dance. If you dance on beat, you automatically have better connection. It really makes a big difference. We needed to fight for that. And when we did, I thought it felt better.
Last thing we talked about was how we're holding hands. It's just a reminder. We talked about this in the first week, but we have to bring it up because it's not good, guys. If you're out here with the fingers and pressing down by lifting up this wrist, that's not the connection we want. We want to hold hands kind of deep down in there. We are relaxing the wrist, but we are holding onto each other, not letting each other slip away.
And followers kind of hold me as much as I'm holding her in the hands. Leaders, if you kind of grab with the thumb here, we'll get a little zoom. You get this thumb action, this is the problem. Sometimes the leaders are like, oh, I would never squeeze with my thumb, but the thumb meet. The thumb meet, it's a squeeze it, y'all. So we gotta just chill that out. We're holding together. We're in there pretty deep. It's these 2 fingers that are most important, but we're not doing it crazy gun style. We're just here. And if we can have this kind of feeling of this is where the connection is, not up and down so much.
Yep.
That's the deal. So can you do your thing, Naomi? Weird thing?
Bad things?
Bad things.
Out in the fingers.
Really far out, it gets stiff.
Pushing.
Leaders get a little grabby on the side. We want to be right here. Yeah? Of course, you're going to fit different with everybody, but if you can have it where both people are kind of holding each other, life is better. We're done.